Hello everyone and Happy New Year. It is January 2nd, 2019 and it is Wednesday and I am on my way home from work. It's 38 degrees and it's cold. And I may even stop and get a Starbucks because I love Starbucks. Or maybe, now I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll go to Dunkin' Donuts and get a blueberry coffee. Which do I want? Which do I want? Or do I want either and just get coffee at home? Alright, and then I can get blueberry coffee on my way to work tomorrow or Starbucks on my way to work. That's what I'll do. Because I have good coffee at home. Okay, I talked myself into that. Hope you guys are doing well. I haven't made any card videos yet for this year, nor have I done any more planning videos. I need to do a plan with me for Sunday, for next week. I may do that. I don't think I'll do it tonight, but maybe I will. It kind of depends on what's going on. I know that Katie is going back to school tonight, so that's a real bummer. She has something called J term, which is January term, where they take a class in like 3 weeks and get credit for it, and but they have to like go every day. It's like a really intense compound class, and it's kind of a neat way to get credits, and it's another way that they help ensure that everyone graduates in 4 years. So that's pretty cool. And so she starts that tomorrow. So she's going to be leaving today. Her boyfriend is coming from St. Louis to pick her up. He's actually probably getting ready to get on the road, and he will pick her up, and then they're going to go back to Taylor together. So that's kind of fun. So when he gets here, I told her that if he wanted to, I could take them out to dinner, something quick they want, so that they can get back. Or if they don't want to, I can like just give them money to pick up something along the way. Whatever works for them is fine for me. And yeah, that's all I know right now. So far, the year has been all right. It's been good so far. Can't complain. I'm excited about my knitting stuff. That is still what I am really, really into. Although I do still love making cards and doing card videos and all of that, and I will continue to do them. I guess I should go a little bit about what to expect in 2019, and whew, it's so crazy to even say that. So when I asked you guys what you wanted to see, you guys are so kind. I just love you. I mean, seriously, it is amazing how nice and supportive you guys all are. And most of you have said that you like some particular videos, but whatever I like is what you like, and that you just enjoy watching me, which makes me feel amazing. I can't even tell you how great that is. So I really appreciate that. So I will, I'm sure, continue with my knitting videos, because that, like I said, is what I'm into. So you will probably be seeing a lot of knitting videos, a lot of yarn hauls and things like that. I also still plan on doing my Plan With Me's every week, and I have that new planner, and so far I am sticking with that one. There is a possibility that I could get a bigger planner and go with my regular sized, like the Erin Condren sized planner, just because that's what I've always used. And then I just got this one and I didn't realize that it was a smaller one, and I kind of, in my head, I'm thinking I can make this work, and I might like it better because then I can have everything in one planner, and I kind of still like that, and I still like that it's smaller. I'm struggling with it being in a binder, just because it's not as portable in a big binder as like some of the smaller planners are. So it's kind of a crossbreed, so there's the good and the bad with it. So I don't know, I'm gonna give it a little bit longer and see what I think. I have to cut some of my stickers down, which I don't like, but it is compact, which I do like. So there's a give and take with both ideas. So I'm going to wait and see what works for me. I'm going to give it a little longer. And my first Plan With Me for this week is working out fine. Using the monthly for my YouTube is working out fine. So all of that is good so far. It's just, I'm still on the fence about cutting stickers down to size and still doing my planning in a regular way. So we shall see. I plan on using some stickers from Poppy Willow Company for next week, and that will help determine, I think, how I like it, because I am going to have to cut those down. Like I said, I haven't made any card videos, but you can still expect those. I don't know that I'm going to do as many as I had done, and I really don't think I'm going to do a weekly tutorial video, just because I haven't come up with those. I mean, when I did it for last year, I had it all planned out. I had it all done, prepared. It was all ready to go and scheduled and everything before the year even started. And this year I haven't done any of that, so all of those will be more spontaneous probably. And same with like tags for Christmas. And I did not do my Halloween cards this year, and no one really seemed to complain. Not that you guys would complain, but no one even really seemed to notice, which was okay. I like it that way, because then I don't feel as obligated to make sure I have something. I mean, if it's there, you guys are great and you seem to like it, but if it's not there, you guys are great and seem to like whatever I put. So I appreciate that. I still am doing my Boxy Charm Box. I will still be doing those unboxings, and I still plan on doing Ipsy unless something changes, but I still like those boxes. I'm still getting the Fab Fit Fun box, so you'll still be seeing those unboxings. I will still do haul videos of my sticker stuff, or just anything that I get that I think is kind of interesting or think that I might want to share with you guys. I will certainly do haul videos. I enjoy shopping, and so I enjoy then sharing what I've purchased, because that's part of the fun. And I like reviews, so I'm going to try to do probably more reviews than I've done before, like of particular yarns, or maybe particular knitting needles, or maybe particular planner stickers or things like that. I want to do just a little bit more reviews, and they're all my own opinion. They're not, paid reviews or any of that. But if somebody wants to do a sponsorship video, I could work a couple of those into, as I've done before, and I'm always very clear that I was given this product to do a review on. So that's what that is. And I didn't mention, but I do have another planner on the way. Hasn't arrived yet, but it is a knitting specific planner, and it's not so much of a week-to-week planner like I currently have. It's more of a long-term vision planner of, hey, these are ideas that I'd like to have. And I'm really bad at that, and I think that this will help me, because what I like to do is get all the things and print all the things and have all the things, and then I'm like, okay, now what do I do? And I need to chill out a little bit more, and I need to I have lots of kits that have the yarn ready and the pattern ready, and I just need to kind of not plan out, but I'm thinking if I made a monthly idea or a monthly goal of, hey, if I cast it on this and maybe this, that would be great, that kind of a thing. And I think that the knitting planner should help with that. So that's what I'm hoping that does, and that's why I got that. I did look at Ravelry, which is where I keep all of my projects and things, and I like log everything in there. And I did like 92 projects last year, or something insane, which is a whole lot more than I ever thought. Actually, when I was putting in how many projects would you like to do for 2019, I even thought maybe 50, and then I saw that I had done almost twice that last year. I'm like, holy cow. Now some of them are dish towels, and then some of them are sweater, but I haven't done any really hard sweaters yet. So I would expect, like, when I do harder things, it's going to take longer and I will have fewer of them, and that is fine too. So this year it was kind of I would say an easier knit kind of a year, although I did a lot. I did a lot of high quantity and maybe less quality items. And I'm not saying they were poorly made or any of that, but they weren't like difficult, or they weren't like huge big projects. They were more smaller. Let's make a cowl. And not that a cowl is small, some of them are really big, but you know what I'm saying. I just didn't do any complicated sweaters or any of that. I did some complicated mittens And although I certainly expect to do that some more this year, and I certainly consider that a project, you can't really compare a mitten to a 50 gram mitten to a 1,500 gram sweater or something. So that's all I'm saying with that. I forgot my glasses today at work too, which is funny. I can see all right, I just can't read very well without my glasses. They're more like readers, but they are prescription. And I did buy some readers, thanks to one of you, that are from readers.com, and they are bifocal readers. So the top part is clear and the bottom part has like a magnified, you can pick, I think 2 or 2.5, whatever, magnification on it. And I ended up buying 3 pairs of those because I thought that sounded like a great idea, and I got them for less than 40 bucks. So to me, that was a song for glasses. But I'm having a hard time with them just because I don't really like the bifocal part, although I need it. Unfortunately, I've never had it before, and it kind of makes you feel like you're getting seasick with them. And I don't know, I think that even the clear part needs a little bit of a prescription. So I don't think I'm totally into readers. I think I need like a prescription bifocal, but these will do for a while. And I think if I get used to the bifocally part, it'll make it better. So I am still wearing them. I try to wear them for about 15 or 20 minutes a day so that I get kind of more used to them. But I didn't bring any glasses to work, which is insane because I thought I had a pair there that I just kept there, but for whatever reason they aren't there. So I have like those 3 readers, and I have some other glasses, and I have plenty of glasses to be in all the spots, but I don't have them in all the spots, or I would have a pair at work. So that's all. That being said, I'm gonna need to take a pair to work. So I am almost home. You guys have let me babble all the way here, but those are things that you can expect in 2019. I'm hoping to do some family vlogs too. And Dennis and I have talked a little bit about maybe doing some weekend trips. And if I do those, I will try to vlog those too. I don't always vlog with him or my kids just because they don't always like it. They're not as crazy as I am. I enjoy the vlog and telling you guys what I'm doing. They're a little bit more uncomfortable, especially the guys. So Katie likes it sometimes, but sometimes she doesn't want it either. So, you know, I just want it to be okay with everyone because ultimately they're my family. You know what I'm saying. I don't need to explain that. But that's where I'm at. And yeah, I am almost home. So I am getting ready to make some coffee and do some knitting. But I will talk to you guys soon, and have a wonderful, happy new year.